So, any course on becoming debt free would really not be complete without Section 7 budgeting. And so, in this section, I'm going to be talking about how you can track your money to make sure you are meeting your debt free goals and are on target to conquer your loans. So, why create a budget? Well, there's a variety of different reasons. Really, for this specific course, is that the fact that we have to meet a specific monthly payment to become debt free. Without budgeting, it's really hard for us to know if we're able to and if we are actually meeting that monthly payment. Next, it really tracks your progress and allows you to keep positive and also aware as to how you're doing in terms of your debt free goal and life overall. It also really gets rid of waste. As we go around our days, there's a lot of little things that we're spending on that we don't think about. When you create a budget, you look at all your costs and earnings, and you realize all of a sudden how much you are spending and how you could potentially change that to save a lot more money. And really, it just empowers you to keep going. You can almost gamify this so that it's fun. Like, how much more money can I save? Or how much more money can I earn? And that can empower you to conquer your goals much faster. So, when you are creating your budget, you want to create your budget with the following goals in mind. What can you spend less on? How can you save more? And how can you earn more? All of these goals are to achieve your pre-calculated monthly payment amount. That's the whole framework of this course. And so as we budget and as we track, we're trying to figure out how we can spend less, save more, and earn more to achieve our monthly payment goal so that we can become debt-free as soon as possible. Now, there are 3 amazing tools that I really want you to be aware of, and they are Mint, Personal Capital, and Google Spreadsheets. Now, I personally recommend Personal Capital, although Google Spreadsheets are perfectly fine, but it just takes a lot of time to input all your different spendings and earnings and all your different accounts. You've got so many accounts, your investment accounts, your savings, your checking. It's just too much for me to handle. And so I would choose a computerized version like Personal Capital or Mint. Now, Mint has many great features about it, but what it lacks is the investment features that Personal Capital has. So when you're doing your 401k or your IRA or even individual investments, Personal Capital will make sure that you aren't getting and paying too much fees for those investments. And that's an option that only Personal Capital has compared to Mint. So Personal Capital is free. It is automatic and online. And what I mean by automatic is that it syncs all of your payments, earnings, and investments without you having to do anything. When you first log in, you simply put all your different, you sync it to your different checking accounts, saving accounts, etc., so that every time you look, it already has created a really amazing and beautiful report for you to help you analyze and track your spendings and savings. It's just super simple and easy to set up. It takes only a couple minutes. And as you see in the picture below, it really reports and follows so many things. It looks at your net worth, your cash flow, portfolio balances, top gainers and losers if you're really into stocks, income reports, spending reports, and upcoming bills. So many things to help you project how you can save more and earn more to help you meet your goals and become debt-free faster. Now, with a budget though, don't set it and forget it. You want to review your budget frequently because a budget is not just about tracking, but also learning how you can save more and earn more. So that's it for budgeting and tracking. All the links are below for Mint, Personal Capital, and Google Spreadsheets. And then the next section, we're going to go over walking you through the exact steps to pay off $100,000 in 2 years or less. So this is the number one section for you really to pay close attention to because we're going to put it all together and walk you through everything that we just covered in detail in a much more simplified and easy to follow version. So I'll see you there.